Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer at Sallie Tomato, and we are on day 9, and I have a secret. Today's Hearth and Handcrafted gift is one of my favorites, if not the favorite. Day 9. The chill of winter is no match for this item. Cute and cozy, it's like getting a little hug on top. Today's gift is the Sallie Tomato pom-pom beanie, complete with a laser engraved faux leather tag, installed by the Sallie Tomato team just for you. This beanie is both practical and stylish, perfect for cold weather or gifting to a loved one. The laser engraved tag adds a handmade artisan touch to your cozy accessory. These laser engraved tags made from our rugged faux leather are now available for purchase in packs of 10 on the Sallie Tomato website. They are slightly smaller than the ones on the beanies and can be used on the edges of bags, straps, webbings, key fobs, you name it. We hope it inspires a little warmth, comfort, and a little holiday joy. There might still be a few Advent boxes left on our website, so don't miss your chance. And if we've sold out, sign up for our newsletter so you can be one of the first ones to hear when the 2026 Advent box is available for sale. Please share and show off photos of your completed projects. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see you wearing your stylish Sallie Tomato beanie. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video so you are always one of the first to see our latest videos, patterns, product releases, you name it. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.